People are making money online using AI.
Even beginners are getting results.
Let's explore the best free tools.
Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. Use it for writing and freelancing. Create content quickly. And sell it to clients. Tool number 2 is Canva AI. Create thumbnails and designs. No design experience needed. Sell designs online.
Tool number 3 is Pictory.
Create videos automatically. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Earn passive income. Tool number 4 is 11 Labs. Create realistic voiceovers. Use it for videos and audiobooks. Sell voice services. Tool number 5 is Copy AI. Write ads and marketing content. Businesses pay for this skill. Tool number 6 is Notion AI. Manage work and content.
Offer virtual assistant services. Tool number 7 is Runway.
Edit videos using AI.
Sell video services.
Now here is the system. Pick one tool.
Learn a simple skill.
Offer your service. Scale step by step.
Most people overthink. Just take action. Consistency brings results. Don't quit early. You can start today. Your income journey begins now. Comment your favorite tool. Like this video. Subscribe for more.
Turn on notifications.
See you in the next video.